Welcome back on channel from Zero to Millionaire. In the last video I showed you how to create YouTube playlist and how to add videos to this playlist. If it doesn't solve this video, I put link in description, or you can find this link in the top right corner of this video.
But before we get into it, and if you're new here and you like videos about making money online and working from home, then go hit the subscription channel and that notification bell below to know when I post a new video.
If you want to remove some videos from a playlist, you can couple of options to do this. First and more easiest way to remove this is go to YouTube Studio. Find your playlist, what you are interested to remove a video. I select test earning money. And for example, I want to remove this video. So I push these three dots. And here's option to remove from test earning money playlist. And simply push this. And voila, this video is removed from this playlist. Next option is go to directly to this playlist. So I back to my YouTube studio, to my YouTube channel. Here are my playlists, and like you see, here is my testing playlist. So I going there. I pause this. Okay, and for example, I want to remove this playlist from playlist. So I can choose this save option and uncheck checkbox with this playlist. And this playlist, when I go again to this playlist, like you see, it's only 3 videos. So I back to my previous page where I was my playlist. And next option to remove some video is this button with trash, with bin. So you can simply push this icon, and like you see, video disappear, and next video disappear. So we have now only 2 video in playlist. If you have any question about how to remove videos from your playlist, type this question in comments below this video. If you have another question about how to manage your YouTube channel, put to this question to the comments. I will try explain you in the comments, or I prepare some video about this, about your question.
Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, enable notifications, and we will see you in the next one.